Good afternoon, David Gross, Gross Inspection Services, here doing a sewer scope for Allison at 2630 North 120th Street. Entering a 4-inch cleanout. PVC pipe. Turns to cast iron at the elbow. We have some, we set our counter at the elbow so we can get a cut distance out to the street. Slight belly there. We got scale and stuff on the underside, inside the pipes. Where it got narrower, that was where we have less flow, more common. So that's usually common where the dishwasher or sinks come in. Looks like we're making our way close to the front of the house. We have an overhead that could be a clean out. And the floor near the front of the house potentially. We have a transition. Now we're in clay pipe, we're outside the house. We're cast iron to clay. Should have seams every 2 feet now. That's an offset where the pipes are no longer lined up how they want, how they were laid. Offset that we have to jump over. Offset. Some build up on this top of the pipe. We're at 109 feet now. It's getting a little harder to push. Just turned on the laundry tub to help maybe push the camera down and float it down a little bit more. From where we're at right now, we're at 112 feet. So here we have some stuff on the ceiling. This is scale and like the minerals, but then we have these hairline stuff. That's because your pipes are under pressure. So it's one where I recommend monitoring and having a scope done every couple of years. So we're still pushing our way out. It's still hard to push. The water hasn't caught up to us yet. This is an offset where the 2 pieces of pipe again don't line up as well. There's multiples of those throughout. Now we're on. So that little offset there, I'm trying to push over it. Have to get a little speed. Some roots. Belly. Alright, we're still pushing through the belly or a potential clog. Outside the house quite far. Alright. We are out to the street. That's the manhole in front of your house, and that should be a ladder. Well, that's on the lens actually. Or is that in the pipe? Yeah, so this is out in the manhole, and that is where the cross is connecting it. So that's your neighbors across the way. That's totally gross. So the main line from back here is 160 feet, which makes sense because it goes out, catches that stuff, and goes all the way out to the street.